Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn off safe search mode on Google. So if you want to disable or turn off safe search while using the Google search engine, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to turn off or disable safe search on Google, all you need to do is go ahead and open a browser. On the browser, you want to go to google.com. Then on the google.com page, scroll down the page, locate and click on settings. Then once you selected settings, click on search settings from the pop. Then on the search settings page, scroll down to content and then click on save search. Once you selected save search, if you have anything other than off, make sure you select off. So this is going to show all relevant results even if they are explicit. So if you have blur or filter help filter out explicit image, text and links, while blur help blur explicit images but explicit text and link may show. Now to disable or fully turn off safe search mode on your Google browser, on the Google search engine, just come here and select off and then you're good to go. So that's all you need to do when you want to disable safe search mode on Google. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.